Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to upgrade the Revolut app. So basically, if you're going to upgrade your Revolut, it might mean a few things. So if you want to upgrade your plan, that's one. Or if you mean that you want to upgrade it by updating it, you can go to the App Store basically and update it from there. But here we are going to talk about upgrading your plan. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to the Revolut mobile app. Tap your profile icon on the top left corner as stated right here. Select your plan and tap manage and change plan. Choose your desired plan and follow the prompts to change your plan. And this will of course change your billing date, update it accordingly, and of course it's gonna like to opt you for annual billing if you want to do so. So remember that you can upgrade your plan, but if you want to deactivate your account and do another one, you'll have to downgrade to the least basic plan, and there you go. So you can upgrade your plan right here with just these 4 easy steps. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.